Hi, it's me again, Kevin Sales, your title rep. I solve real estate problems before they happen. I closed a deal not long ago that made me think, you know what, I need to get some information out here to help people not have delays in their transactions. You see, this transaction had about a 4-month delay, so instead of closing in about 3 months, it took 7 months to close. So I came up with 7 simple things you can do to make your deal go smooth and not have problems. So first and foremost, on a probate transaction, make sure you have your letters testamentary. Those are key. It's almost like a driver's license to someone who's driving a car. You got to have it before you drive. Same thing with a probate transaction. Before you sign a listing agreement, before you sign a contract, before you sign anything, the PR, personal representative, should have their letters testamentary or letters of administration. Second thing, consult with the attorney. If you're a real estate agent that's listed a property and you are going to be selling this property, you need to know what's going on. You know how it goes. You only get half of a story when you talk with someone. So you're probably going to get half of the story from the attorney. Make sure you get that half because it's good to know what the attorney is working on and what they have going on. The other half of the story is going to come from the personal representative, as you'll see in one of the next couple steps. Step number 3, establish rapport with the attorney. There's a key way to do that, so contact me and I can give you some tips on that, but make sure you establish rapport with the attorney. That way you guys can all work in sync. Number 4, call the title company for a free review of your transaction. There may be different idiosyncrasies on the case, there may be issues with beneficiaries, there may be judgments or liens. Make sure you consult with the title company to find out what may be going on the property and get some advice on that. Number 5, review the process with the personal representative. Remember I said a couple minutes ago you're going to get half the story from the attorney? Well, you'll get the other half from the personal representative. So make sure you do that. Make sure you review the whole process with the personal representative, get their side of the story as well. That way you have the whole picture from the attorney and from the personal representative. The next thing, make sure that your escrow officer has experience with the probate process. It's a crucial piece of the puzzle. In most real estate transactions, the escrow company is one of the most important pieces of the pie, and you want to make sure that your escrow officer understands the probate process. The next thing, and last, is number 7, and that's open your title order with a company that has the knowledge to handle the transaction that you have, that works with probates on an ongoing basis, and that is good at working with all parties in the transaction. And don't worry, you found one because you found me. I'm an expert in probate. I'm Kevin Sales. I solve problems in your business. If there's a problem in your business, together we can solve it. As always, consult your own legal and tax professionals for advice. To reach me, Kevin Sales, your probate specialist, you can email me at probatetitle@gmail.com or call me at 213-364-3810.